Hi, this is Samir from Stockholm Microsoft and Board Repair. Today we've got a Samsung S10e here. Alright, we're gonna try to remove the passcode, and if you don't have the passcode, so you can't switch off the phone and you can't restart it and you can do a hard reset, right? So here's the trick. We don't know the password here, so that when you want to switch off the phone like this, you can switch it off if you don't have the password. Alright, so here is the trick. Normally the buttons to go to the recovery mode and do the hard reset is by switching off the power button and the home button that was switched here, and the volume up. But if we click on it, nothing happened. So what we're gonna do now is to click the power button and the home button and the volume up button to go to the recovery mode and eventually being able to do the hard reset. But in this case we're not gonna be able to do it, so here is the trick. We're gonna click on power button and volume button, okay, until it reboots, and then we move to click on home button and volume up button and power button at the same time. So let's try with this first, like power and volume down, okay, power and volume down at the same time until it starts to reboot. Then we move to no. You have to do this a couple of times, it's not that easy. So let's try it one more time. Volume, power and volume down. Power and volume down until it reboots. 1, 2, 3. And then we hold these three buttons. I'm holding three buttons. I'm holding volume up, home, and no, I didn't succeed with it. Okay, you have to do it a couple of times, so you just be patient. Let's do it one more time. Power and volume down. Power and volume down, and as soon as it boots, we should move to home and volume up. Okay, you just be patient, you do it a couple of times until you succeed. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I'm gonna move. I'm holding volume up, home, and power at the same time. No, should be faster. Before it boots, should be faster. Let's try one more time. Okay, one more time. Power and volume down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna move here. Yes, no, maybe. Maybe yes. Yeah, great! Great, now I go to the recovery. Okay, now we're in the recovery. It says it has version 9, I think, yeah? And PPR, S3. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now I'm gonna do the hard reset. So, to explain this, if you don't have the passcode, you can't get to the recovery mode. You can't switch off the phone, you can't restart it. You can restart it maybe, but you can't switch off the phone. And the phone should be switched off to be able to go into the recovery mode, alright? In this case, you switch on, you click on the power and volume down. Before the phone boots, you move to on clicking this 3 button, volume up and home and a power button. Okay, now we're in the recovery here. So we go down, down, down to wipe and factory reset. We choose with power, click yes, we choose with power, and then the phone is restarting or wiping the data. Okay, let's do it one more time. Wipe data, yes. Go down and you click OK with the power button, okay? Yeah. Alright, it's kind of fast. And then you do the reboot. Okay, phone is starting here. This is my website, by the way. Takes some time because you have done a factory reset, so it was deleting all the data, eventually the passcode also. Just be patient. Galaxy S10, S10e. Takes some time. Yes, no. Yeah, let's go. So this is how you do a hard reset to Galaxy S10e. Okay. I've been watching Samir from Stockholm Microsoldering. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thank you.